All right, so guys, this is number 15 out of 10.3, and it says, a village recently completed the construction of a new water tower. The entire cost of the water tower was $948,000, and the government paid $490,000 of the total cost through the awarding of a grant. In addition, the village can delay paying the balance of the cost for 30 years without paying any interest during those 30 years. To finance the balance, the village board will at this time assess its 691 owners a one-time flat fee surcharge, and then invest this money in a 30-year CD paying 6.8% interest compounded monthly. All right, so part A says, what is the balance due on the water tower? All right, so let's see if we can figure this out. So remember, the entire cost of the water tower was $948,000, but we got a grant for $490,000. So what we're going to do is we're going to pay that $490,000 so we can see how much money we owe, okay? So let me grab my calculator, clear this out. So we got 948 minus 490, and so we're left with 458,000. So here for part A, I'm going to put 458,000, okay? And to show you that I'm telling you the truth, let's see, where are we? Here we go. Oh, this is my kitty. 458,000. There we go. All right. Okay, so now part B says, how much are we going to have to invest at this time to raise the balance due in 30 years? Okay, so let's go ahead and do part B. So we want to figure out how much do we need so that we have this amount of money in the 30 years, right? So guys, we're going to use our present value formula, right? So the present value formula is P equals A divided by 1 plus R over N to the power N times T, okay? So the amount, the amount that we want to get is that 458,000, okay? 1 plus, let's see, our interest rate was 6.8%. So as the decimal, that's 0.068. It's being compounded monthly, so my N is going to be 12. So, excuse me. And then my power, N times T. So we already said N was 12, and T, this was 30 years, right? So guys, I'm going to enter this piece right here exactly as I see it on my calculator. Okay, so let me get my calculator going. So 458, 1, 2, 3, divided by parentheses 1 plus 0.068 divided by 12 raised to the power 12 times 30. Okay. And so right now the number that I'm coming up with is 59,897.06. So 59,807, and I think I said 6 cents. Let me double check. 897.06. 897. Oops, and 6 cents. Okay. So now I'm going to enter that in my lab. 59897 and 06. Oops, too many. Go, enter that in. Perfect. So we got that part done. Okay, so now it says, how much should each homeowner pay as a surcharge? Okay, so let's take a look now. So we have that 59,897 and 6 cents, right? This is how much we all have to put in today, right? But everybody's going to pay that. And how many people do we have? We have 691. So we're going to take this number and we're going to divide it by 691. So let me grab my calculator again. We can just divide that by 691. Oops, 91. Enter. And everybody's going to have to pay $86.68. $86.68 is what we each have to pay. And so to show you I'm telling you the truth, I'm going to enter it in right here. $86.68. Oops, too many. And there we go. Okay. So I hope this makes sense. Y'all got any questions, let me know. I'm happy to help.